Hi guys, welcome back to the Food Monologue Studios. Today we are going to check out a winter special recipe, the Paushtik Laddu. These laddus are made with the goodness of jaggery, whole wheat, dry fruits, healthy seeds and spices. These have loads of energy and can be easily replaced with the preservative-filled granola bars. So let us check out this recipe without further ado. Heat a pan and add 2 cups of coarsely ground whole wheat flour. If the wheat flour which you are using is not coarse, take 1.5 cup of regularly ground whole wheat flour and half cup of semolina or rava. This gives a nice texture to the laddus. Dry roast the wheat for a minute or two. Add 1 cup melted desi ghee or clarified butter to this. Now mix the wheat flour and ghee together till it comes together like this. Allow the whole wheat flour to roast on very low flame. Keep stirring it in between. Meanwhile, in another pan, add 2 tablespoons of sesame seeds or til and dry roast them till they puff up and start spluttering. Like this. Now keep aside and allow to cool. In the same pan, add 1/4 cup of ghee or clarified butter and allow it to heat up a bit. It should heat up such that it starts to smoke. Then add 2 tablespoons of dinka or edible glue or gond in Hindi and fry them till they puff up nicely. Allow them to completely expand. Now remove from the gas as soon as possible. In the same ghee, add a mixture of 2 tablespoons of walnuts, 2 tablespoons of almonds and 2 tablespoons of cashews, all roughly chopped. Now fry them till they become crunchy and then remove and allow to cool. In the same ghee, add half cup of desiccated coconut and fry it till golden brown like this. Now keep aside and allow to cool. In the same pan, add 2 tablespoons of poppy seeds and dry roast them for a minute or two. Meanwhile, the wheat flour has been roasting for about 20 to 25 minutes. Now to this add 2 tablespoons of water. You can add 2 tablespoons of milk also. However, if you want the laddus to last long, add water. Adding of water will ensure that the whole wheat flour has been cooked properly. Dry roast for another 5 to 7 minutes. Now switch off the gas stove and allow to cool. In a mixer jar, grind the fried gond or dinka and the poppy seeds into a coarse mixture and add to the desiccated coconut. Now add 2 tablespoons of dried date powder or kharik pood. Add the roasted sesame seeds along with fried dry fruits. These add a nice crunch to the laddus. Now with the hand, mix all the ingredients together such that they get evenly distributed. Add the roasted whole wheat flour to this mixture and give it a nice mix. Now add 2 tablespoons of roasted flaxseed powder. Freshly grate 1 teaspoon of nutmeg in this mixture. Add 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder. Now add 1.5 cup or 2 cups of grated jaggery. Mix nicely such that all the ingredients are equally distributed. Now while the mixture is warm, bind into laddus. The flavor of these laddus enhances on the next day as the spices mature. So make them one day in advance and they are ready to eat. Grab the complete recipe from the vlog. The link is mentioned in the description below.